Hello, my friend, I hope you are doing well. I am Arsalan, a robot trader here, and in this video we want to talk about the number of signals that the Ichimoku robot gives you. Before that, I recommend that you watch the videos on the Ichimoku related page. We will enter the page. Now we will Google it or see the link somewhere. We will come to this page to watch the videos. In the tutorials, you'll learn how it works. You read through the text to check if it fits your needs or if expectations are unrealistic about the product. You might find the product fits perfectly. Now, you want to see how many signals it gives. Let's cover that now. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the pound. Let's dive in. I have a job like that, so be nice and let's have it. Be nice and let's have it. We'll check this together now. Forget about how many signals forex crypto gives on average on a given width. For example, now either Bitcoin TILA or pound is a width. You can expect a total of 18 signals in the 1 and 3 minute time frames, 10 in the 5 and 15 minute time frames, and this candlestick that I wrote here is the recommended candlestick based on this video. Under 3 minutes, the candlestick is iconic. Above 3 minutes, it may be a pair depending on your backtest and trading style. 3.45 minutes a day, giving 5 signals, and this is the average of the points I wrote here, a collection of 36. But here's the thing, it's an average, meaning that one day you might have 30 signals in 3 minutes, another day you might have 10, and this is the average that was taken. It's possible that you might have no signals in 3 or 4 hours, 3 days in a row. 3 days in a row, 5 signals one day. The market is changing. Otherwise, this is not the average we got for you, but it is an approximately correct number to know what is coming. And here is a set of 6, meaning 5 minutes and 15 minutes together. There are 10 signals per day. Now it is divided into a different ratio. Usually, the lower time frame has more, for example, 10. Maybe 6 are for 5 minutes, 4 are for 15 minutes, and so on. And the number of signals is very large. 36 signals is terrible, because for example, you have 10 signals on your list. You could have 360 signals in a single day. You want 4 to 5 bananas in your diet. You want your life to be happy. Carefully pick and choose from these videos. Watch them to enhance your analysis skills. Be selective about what you trade. Focus on the good opportunities and be meticulous in your choices. If something seems off, just let it go. Grab the solid, well-founded opportunities. Thanks for watching the video. And take care. Goodbye.